Hi, and welcome back to the channel. First thing first, let's address the elephant in the room. Voge is relatively new name to many, especially outside of certain markets. It is the premium sub-brand of Nissin, a massive Chinese manufacturer. Now, before you click away, thinking Chinese bikes, hear me out. Just like Kia and Hyundai transform perceptions in the car world, brands like Voge are doing the same thing in motorcycles. They're investing heavily in R&D, design, and most importantly, quality components. This isn't your average budget bike. It's a meticulously crafted machine designed to compete globally. So, if you're ready to broaden your horizons and find incredible value, you're in the right place. Just hold on to that thought because I need to clarify something. Our goal is to become a one-stop shop for all things motorcycle content here in Kenya and beyond. First, we want to reach 1 million people, but we can't without your help. So subscribe to join Gitalio family, like and share to promote this video. Thank you very much. Drink some water. So where's the secret sauce? The number one reason 525DSX is flying off showrooms floors comes down to almost unbelievable combination. Premium components and budget price. Think about that for a second. Imagine getting a brand new adventure bike that comes stock with features and parts you would usually only find on bikes costing thousands or even more. This isn't just a marketing gimmick, it's a fundamental shift in what you can expect for your money. You no longer need to compromise on quality just because you're on a tighter budget. Voge is delivering high-end tech without the high-end price tag, and that's a game changer for so many riders. Let's get specific about these premium features. When you're riding an adventure bike, what do you need most? Reliability, right? Control and comfort, right? The 525 delivers here, big time. It features KOAB suspension. That is the same brand you'll find on many top-tier Japanese and European bikes. This isn't some generic bouncy setup. It is designed to absorb bumps, keep your tires planted, and give you smooth, controlled ride, whether you're on a highway or a bumpy dirt road. This means less fatigue on long rides and more confidence when the terrain gets tricky. You are getting a professional grade tire ride without having to pay extras for aftermarket upgrades. And what about the stopping power? Equally crucial. The 525 boasts Nissin brakes, again, a globally recognized top-tier brand known for its excellent feel and powerful consistent stopping performance. Whether you need to scrub off speed quickly on the highway or gently modulate your braking on loose gravel, these brakes have your back. You'll feel secure and in control, which is invaluable for any rider, really, but especially for those venturing off the beaten path. Complementing this, it rolls on Metzeler Torrance tires, fantastic dual sport rubber that offers a great balance of grip on asphalt and compatibility when you hit the dirt. These aren't your cheap OEM tires. They are respected, high-performance rubber that many riders choose to put on their bikes. All of this comes standard, saving you hundreds, if not thousands, in immediate upgrade costs. But it is not just about performance, it's about safety too. Voge didn't cut corners here. The 525 comes equipped with both dual-channel ABS and switchable traction control system. ABS prevents your wheels from locking up under hard braking, a lifesaver in emergency situations, by the way. TCS, on the other hand, helps prevent wheel spin, giving you more control and stability, especially on slippery surfaces like rain-soaked roads or loose gravel. What's even better, the TCS is switchable, meaning you can turn it off for off-road riding where a little wheel spin might actually be desired to navigate certain obstacles. Having these advanced safety features as standard is a huge win for a rider's confidence and security, especially for those newer to adventure riding. Now let's talk about tech, because this is where 525 really shines and pulls ahead of many rivals. Get ready for this massive 7-inch TFT color display. This isn't some tiny monochrome screen. It is a vibrant, high-resolution panel that gives you all your essential information at a glance. Speed, RPM, fuel level, gear indicators, even tire pressure monitoring. It is all there. clear and easy to read. But it gets even better. This screen can connect to your smartphone via Bluetooth, offering basic navigation displays directly on your dashboard. Imagine having turn-by-turn directions right in your line of sight without needing to mount a separate device. This level of modern connectivity and information display is a huge differentiator and adds a premium feel to every ride. And here is the feature that genuinely sets 525 apart and has riders absolutely raving: a built-in HD 1080 pixels dashboard cam. Yes, you heard that right. It is integrated directly into the bike. No more fumbling with external cameras, worrying about batteries or mounting solutions. You can record your entire journey, whether it is capturing stunning scenic views for your memories or having crucial footage in case of an unforeseen accident. This isn't just a cool gadget, it is a practical safety and memory making tool right there, ready to go whenever you hit the ignition. This feature alone adds significant value and confidence that you simply won't find on most other bikes in this category, regardless of the price. Visibility is key, especially for adventure riding, where you might encounter varying light conditions. The Voge 525 comes with full LED lighting, from the sharp modern headlight to the tail light and indicators. LED are brighter, last longer, and draw less power than traditional bulbs. But Voge takes it a step further by including auxiliary fog lights as standard. These aren't just for looks. They significantly improve your visibility to other road users and illuminates the sides of the road, which is incredibly helpful when riding at dawn, dusk, or in challenging weather conditions. This attention to practical, safety-enhancing details is a testament to Voge's understanding of what riders truly need. Beyond the flashy tech, Voge has also focused on riders' comfort and practicality, adding features that are often expensive aftermarket add-ons. You get an adjustable windshield, allowing you to tailor the wind protection to your height and riding style, reducing fatigue on long highway stretches. Handguards are also standard, offering protection from wind, debris, and minor impacts, especially for off-road excursions or even just chilly commutes. And for maintenance or parking, a center stand is included. This might seem small, but anyone who has struggled to lube a chain or load a luggage on the side stand-only bike knows how valuable a center stand can be. These thoughtful additions enhance the overall riding experience and save you more money on accessories. So with all these features, how does it actually ride? The 525 is a true all-rounder designed for versatility. Its 494cc parallel twin-cylinder engine delivers a healthy dose of power that is smooth, manageable, and engaging. It is not an arm-wrenching superbike, but it is a more enough grunt for highway cruising, spirited backroad riding, and navigating tougher trails. It is an engine that won't intimidate newer riders, but still excites experienced ones. This balance makes it incredibly approachable and fun for a wide range of skills and levels, ensuring you can tackle almost any journey with confidence. And let's talk about its adventure capabilities. With a 9-inch front wheel and a 17-inch rear wheel, it strikes that perfect balance. The larger front wheel helps it roll over obstacles more easily off-road, while the 17-inch rear maintains agility on paved roads. Combined with decent ground clearance and that excellent KYB suspension, the 525 is genuinely capable of tackling light to medium off-road trails. This isn't just a look-alike adventure bike, it is built to actually go exploring. So whether your adventure means a cross-country tour or discovering that hidden gravel road, the 525 is ready. For adventure touring, range is crucial, and the 525 doesn't disappoint. It features a generously sized fuel tank, and with its efficient engine, you can expect an impressive fuel range. This means fewer stops at the petrol station and a more time enjoying the open road and scenery. Long distance becomes less about planning fewer stops and more about simply riding and experiencing. For those epic road trips or multi-day explorations, the long range is a massive advantage and a huge selling point. Now let's bring it back to the biggest draw, the value proposition. We have talked about the premium components, the advanced tech, the safety features, the versatility, and the practical additions. When you consider everything, the Voge 525 offers a standard, and then you look at the price tag, it's genuinely hard to beat that. It undercuts its Japanese and European rivals significantly, often by thousands of dollars, while still delivering a compatible and, in some cases, superior feature set. For riders looking to get into adventure biking or for experienced riders wanting maximum bang for their buck, the 525 represents an undeniable bargain. You are not just buying a motorcycle, you are buying a fully equipped adventure machine that is ready to go right off the showroom floor without needing a laundry list of expensive aftermarket upgrades. Of course, like any newer brand, there might be some questions about long-term reliability or dealer networks. However, Voge, backed by Nissin, is expanding rapidly, and many markets now offer excellent warranties, in some places up to 5 years. The demonstration of a strong commitment to quality and customer confidence is key, and the initial feedback from owners and reviewers has been overwhelmingly positive, praising the build quality and the riding experience. It is a testament to how far these brands have come, proving that great value doesn't have to mean sacrificing quality anymore. So there you have it, guys. The Vogue 525 isn't just another motorcycle, it is a statement. It is a testament to how innovation, smart engineering, and a focus on rider value can disrupt an entire segment. If you are in the market for an adventure bike that punches way above its weight, offers an incredible array of features as standard, and won't break the bank, you absolutely need to take a serious look at the Voge 525DSX. It is an exciting time to be a motorcyclist, and bikes like these are leading the charge. What are your thoughts on the Voge 525? Have you ridden one before? Are you considering one? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful and valuable, please hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome motorcycle content, and ring that notification bell so that you don't miss out next time we post another bike video. Thank you for watching, ride safe, and we'll see you on the next one. Ciao. Accident.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.